Are you ready to rumble? We have something fantastic in store for you right now. We're going to fill up a half a cup of that delicious IPA beer. Add that Peckers right in there. Mix her up good and jolly. Because you know what we're going to do here? We are going to inject a delicious pork butt, baby. Yeah, Boston pork butt. We're going to be making Cuban sandwiches today, so what we like to do is, we're just going to inject her up here. Hit them once, hit them twice, maybe even 3 times, all on both ends. Flip her over, hit them with that yellow mustard as that binder. Cover it nicely. Then we're going to hit it nice with that Pecan Toms. Once you hit it nice with that Pecan Toms, you're going to make sure you hit every nook and cranny of that butt. Then you're going to put her on that smoker at 225 degrees, baby. Look at that beautiful butt right there. Bye-bye. Peace out. Look at that color, would you? That's what you'll get with Pecan Toms. There's about 3 hours later. Looking good. Covered in foil. Reached an internal temperature of 203 degrees. This ready to rock and roll. We're gonna shred this baby up. Oh yeah, shredding her good and right and tight, baby. Look at that juicy pork. Now we got some Cuban bread here. We're gonna slice them down the middle, and we're gonna make some delicious Cuban sandwiches. Trick to a good Cuban sandwich is you need that delicious Cuban bread. You need some ham, you need some Swiss cheese. There's that Swiss, baby, right there. Be generous with it. It's good to you. Throw that ham right on there next. You have to layer it in this manner, otherwise it won't cook correctly. Then that pulled pork that we just made on the smoker. Then you're going to do a mayo and mustard base on that sandwich. You're going to throw some butter on the top of that. Then we're going to throw it right on the presser and make it delicious. We're going to heat this baby up right now. Oh yeah, look at that slip and slide. And now we're going to cut this baby in half. Look at those marks, baby. Are you ready for the money shot? Because I am. Boom. Got pickles on there too, baby. That's a real Cuban. Make them yourself. Go for it.